Alright, so here's my $25 modifications to the kayak today. I built my milk crate. It's got a bungee to keep it closed, zip tied shut, the lid stays on. I got rod holders attached to it. Each rod holder has, each one has its own leash for each rod, so that if it does fall in the water, it's still attached to something and won't be gone. Yep, the milk crate's all hooked in. Right now my anchor is going to be this 8-pound weight and this anchor line. I'll eventually probably rig up an anchor trolley system. I got my net in there for the time being. We have, of course, for the paddle, this bad boy right here. Works great. There's one on each side, which is really convenient. Doesn't go anywhere. I got the seat in the high position right now, so I got a waterproof tackle box underneath with all my goodies. I got the tomahawk also leashed in, so it can't go anywhere. I used a couple badge retrievers right here for my pliers, so I can, work on the fish. I'm gonna hook up my clippers to this badge retriever. That way it ain't going nowhere. But that's it. Those are my $25 modifications, and it made a world of difference. I got a bunch more storage, more rod storage, leashes so nothing falls out and can't be lost forever. And I've got, my badge retrievers. Beauty.